Welcome to our guide on dual wielding in Elden Ring. Today, we'll explore the exciting art of wielding two weapons at once, maximizing your combat potential. To dual wield effectively, you need to meet specific stats and equip the right weapons. Key stats include dexterity and strength, depending on your weapon choice. Equipping your weapons for dual wielding is simple. Open your inventory, select the desired weapons, and assign one to each hand. Remember, some weapons require unique handling. Different weapon types have their strengths and weaknesses. Ensure your weapons are compatible for dual wielding to optimize your combat strategy. Mastering the controls is crucial. To attack with both weapons, use the light attack and heavy attack buttons. Practice timing and swapping between your weapons. The main benefits of dual wielding include increased attack speed and damage output. You'll overwhelm enemies before they can react. Utilize skills and ashes of war that enhance your dual wielding techniques. Look for options that boost damage or provide additional attacks. Practice makes perfect. Combine light and heavy attacks, dodge to avoid damage, and learn enemy patterns to exploit their weaknesses. Avoid these common mistakes, relying solely on one weapon, neglecting your stamina management, and failing to adapt your strategy in fights. Now that you understand the essentials of dual wielding, it's time to embrace the power of this fighting style in Elden Ring. Unleash your true potential.